What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, this snow, it was free this year. Look at it, y'all. Whew. Too many snow. You want to see it? Look at it. That's because people cannot drive. And then that's because I got a winter storm warning. It says I got alert from extreme cold warning. And then that's because the storm set. This is semi right now. This is ridiculous. It's freezing. But right now, look at all the icicles in the roads. Like, seriously. And then it's because that people cannot drive and everything. Not real, look. See? That's because the ice and the icicles in the roads. And my hands is getting freezing. That's because the people cannot drive. And also, the people cannot do that here for me. And so, I'm very freezing right now. And so, my mom, and that's because her boyfriend's over there. And then, so Happy New Year. Welcome back for New Year. So, we're in winter right now. And then, see, cannot drive right now. That's because there's too many snow. You cannot drive right now. Look at it. See, look, I was recording and about this. There was snow and everything. I was recording and everything. Yeah, that's because you cannot drive well. No way! That's because too many eyes. Right. Right, that's because the neighbor told me I had to stay over there. And then there he goes to Amy's friends. And so it's because the neighbor doesn't want to show us everything. It's getting freezing cold. Like, give me all subscribers and notifications. And then that's because I want to hear something. Please, it's -1 degrees right now. But I don't want to get sick. Or I don't want to get a COVID in this time. Just because. No way, that's because their neighbor's over there. See? Look at it. You see, you heard that? Look at it. There was snow. But my hands is killing me about this. This is ridiculous. Like, basically, and that's because I cannot do the video for my phone. It's so ice up. And then, it gave us freezing and everything. And so, that's what happens. And then, I'm gonna show my grandma about this. But I cannot go outside. It's very freezing outside. Or I'm gonna kill myself. This is ridiculous. No way. It's getting freezing. Jesus, cold. My cannon's locked. Mommy, te pone done. Actually, see, And so that's because it gets freezing cold. Do you know why there was freezing cold? Like at this time? Yeah, that's because my hands would give us freezing cold, and then that's because it gave us a extreme warnings and everything, and that's all. Do you think of why, Khaleesi?
Why?
That's because yesterday he gave us snow, and then he gave us the winter storm warning, and then it was 15 degrees outside, and like 14. And then I don't want to get sick out at all the time. So the last time it's because I was outside for the getting and super cold outside, and that means I getting super Jesus cold right now. Like, do you know why there was Amy and Reagan was doing in the summertime, guys? And so that's what happens. And so that's because they was giving me a fight right now. And then they was calling my sister big fat. And that's because we could say holy Jesus and everything. And so I cannot go to church on yesterday. That's because it's very snow outside. And everything. That's all. And so my ear's getting super hot, and it's very cold outside, y'all. This is ridiculous. And then, like, first of all, and that's because it covered all 15 inches of snow. Second of all, and that's because it was super cold. And then that's because I don't want to get here for the Louisville, and then it gave us a super cold, super cold outside, or I don't want to get killing something. And like, first of all, I don't know what they're talking about. It is super snow outside, and the snow is very super dangerous. But I don't want to see the people was filming right now. It is very dangerous right now. That's all. See, look, I will show you for this video. So there was two trucks. They was parking in over there, and then that's because they was helping it clear the ice away. And then it was the bad New Year's Day. And so I don't want to see the people was trying to film this guy. And then that's all happens. And then yesterday I don't see the people was not driving and everything. And that's all. That's all of it, everything. See? Look at it. 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 Super snow. Super ridiculous. And then that's because I covered all the house with snow. That's all. Last time I saw the school bus for JCPS school bus, and then they was crashing down and for the to the wards, and that's because I don't want to get crashed in all time for the school buses. That's all. So when we get 18 years old, that means we're going to go to the California. So when my sister gets 18, so she's going to California with at this time. And so when we get past 2029, and I'm going to California to see the Lucas and Marcus and everything. And so, but I don't want to stay here for Louisville, Kentucky, and we're gonna get for new daughters and sisters, and everything, and that's all. And so, you can see all videos about this right now, and it's because it was afternoon ago, it gave us super freezing outside, that's all. And super storm. Yesterday they gave us snowstorm and it gave us a super storms, that's all. And then that's because I cannot go to school on the snow. It's for ATI day. And then that's because I'm getting super sick and out about this. We're gonna post it every Monday and at this time. So I hope I get joined this with video and everything. And so that's because I don't want to see this with snow. And then I cannot go walk to the Hunter's house. And then it's because Hunter was being so bully. You know, this guy, Hunter, was doing this. I called the cops for Hunter. And then, like, first of all, and they was calling me ridiculous. His friends are over there. And that's because I don't know what the names for this time. We're gonna tell you the names for the video and everything. And that's all. So, I was talking about a conversation, and then Cyrus right, and that's because winter storm. They was sending the screenshots for the winter storm warning, and then they gave us extreme cold warning, and then that's because I don't know what they're up to for the snow. And then Wednesday, I don't know we could go back to school. It's for no reason, snow. And then you see the people and the salt and the snow, they gave us for the salt for the give it away for the ice right now. And so, like, basically, but I don't want to go to school. And then that's because I went to a doctor's appointment a long time ago. And then it gave us super snow. And that's all. Let's go inside. Alright, let's talk about a conversation I was talking about in this time. I'm gonna leave my phone there. I need to talk to the conversation and about serious Mason. So my sister was telling me, and then that's because there was snow outside, and then that's because I don't want to get sick in this time, and so I was sad for a reason, like serious Mason, but I don't want to get a super serious Mason. But I miss my grandma, my dad, my cousins, and my cousin from Cuba, Young. And that's because it's my cousin. And then that's because I miss my parents right now. So I cannot go to my grandma's house, I cannot go to the store, and that's because they gave us a super storm. That's all. And then, that's what happens. It gave us super storms. Like, I don't want to get people get super crashed in the eyes for the cars. This is ridiculous. Like, number one, so there was keep dropping the snow and everything for Louisville, and it's because I don't want to get 15 inches of snow. Like, I don't want to get killed for the people for the snow. And then last year, my grandma just filmed the video for about March. And then that's because I see the tornado warning for the last year. And that's because I don't want to talk about for the tornadoes like this year. And that's all. Like, I don't want to talk about for the tornadoes in this year. But all years it gave us for snow and everything. So when the summer comes on, we're going to Florida and everything. And that's all. I wanted to switch schools and everything. I'm gonna keep calm and everything. So I'm in ninth grade right now, and I'm gonna be a sophomore next year. And so Sarah's right, and that's because they gave us the super storms, winter storms, snowstorms. They gave us snow squall warnings. That's all. And that's for the end of the video. And then thank you for watching. And then give us some all notifications, subscribers, and give us 54K subscribers. And then just because it gave us super storms and everything. And that's all. We love you guys, and Lord Jesus, and you can pray yourselves and everything. God bless you. Salute and everything. Alright. Peace out, guys. Peace. I'm gonna use my Apple Watch and give you in my phone, okay? Okay? Alright. I'll see you later, guys. See ya.